Sardex is a new way of thinking economics on the picturesque island of Sardinia. In times of deep economic crisis, the Sardex, a virtual money parallel to the euro, demonstrates how easy it is to combine commercial and social interests together. Max Civili, PressTv's correspondent in Italy, went down to the capital of Sardinia, Cagliari, for this report.
Sardinia is a breathtaking Mediterranean island of rolling hills, dramatic mountains and soft, sandy beaches. Its 1.5 million inhabitants share ancient traditions and a common local language different from the official Italian language. For decades, the familistic structure of Sardinian industry, banking and business enterprise had made the islands one of the safest regional economies in Italy. However, the severe financial crisis that has been afflicting Italy for over 5 years has reverberated on the Sardinian island as well.
The economy of Sardinia has plummeted due to the closure of several big industrial groups. Sardinian people's trust in the banking sector declined enormously since the start of the so-called credit crunch. Medium and small entrepreneurs cannot access credit any longer. When suddenly the Sardex program came about, not long ago, things started to change for some. Finally, something to help local businesses deal with the lack of cash.
While the Italian economy is going to fall off a cliff, some university graduates in the often forgotten island of Sardinia have come up with a great idea to try to revive the struggling local commerce.
The Sardex virtual currency helped us find new solution to the economic crisis. How? Easy. It has helped us, local entrepreneurs, rediscover a forgotten sense of community by establishing a network of people who exchange services and products. When money don't go around, one must be creative, stop complaining and do something. Action always comes first.
Today, over 2,500 firms have joined the Sardex program. But how does this new virtual currency function, and what are the reasons for its success?
Our program became operative in 2010. Sardex is a virtual currency, complementary to the euro, which permits to trade goods and services within the group of enterprises which are members of our network. Before its enrollment, every enterprise declares its services and goods that are available to be traded with Sardex. Then they get credit according to a rating-based system. 1 Sardex is equal to 1 euro. This credit is based on confidence and is properly a free liquidity injection. The available goods and services are shown on our website to all those who have joined Sardex.
The Sardex is a monetary network that connects businesses of any kind and size, helping them exchange products and services without using Italy's state currency, the euro. Trust is a key element when it comes to using the Sardex.
For years, I have been running an initiative that features the cultural heritage of our island. It involves about 13,000 volunteers and it's held in 45 Sardinian towns and villages, attracting some 300,000 visitors every year. By joining the Sardex program, we have entered a network made up by local businesses who are tackling this lack of liquidity, simply exchanging their services and products, trusting one another.
The revolutionary aspect about the Sardex is that the companies who have joined the program are encouraged to use the Sardex credit rather than keeping it as a reserve. In fact, the closer the credit is to zero, the better is for them.
At the end of every year, when balance sheets are completed, the enterprises pay in euros the liabilities that they were not able to cover. The system is based on the growing trend of transactions and not on the growing liquidity. When a firm has zero in its balance sheet, it means that it has returned all the goods and services that the community has previously offered to that firm.
I think that the Sardex program shows how resourceful citizens can come up with smart initiatives when our government is short of money and ideas.
There is no doubt that the Sardex virtual currency has been offering a significant financial relief to many Sardinian firms. However, regardless of Sardex's effectiveness, local and national governments are asked to do more to help business communities, rather than just leave it almost exclusively to people's creativity and goodwill. Max Civili for Reporters File, Cagliari.